We understand how stressful workload makes you anxious at workplace. We know how hard it is to fall asleep when you are overwhelmed by stress and other stuff. Struggling with insomnia, bad moods, stress, and everything is frustrating and hopeless. You need help. Sorosis Mini3. A sleep aid gadget that helps you solve all these problems from the root in a drug-free, safe, and convenient way. Sorosis Mini3 applies the Cranial Electrotherapy Stimulation technology to change your brain waves from the active beta waves to calm and restful alpha waves, and to help your brain secrete hormones to control emotions and moods.
So I genuinely use it an hour before I go to bed, and I'll put the timer on it, and it's a 20-minute timer. And during that time, I'll usually read a book or I'll go on my phone. So it's kind of cool. And I've been using it pretty much every single day.
It's really amazing because say a couple of hours before I want to go to sleep, if it's 7 o'clock and I want to sleep at 9, I just put this on for like 15 minutes, 9 o'clock rolls by, and bingo, I fall asleep just like that.
I use it half an hour before I go to sleep for about 10 minutes. It's been very effective for me.
Sorosis Mini3 helps you fall asleep faster and sleep better. It also has a monitor that tracks your sleep to help you know more about your sleep and health conditions and get personalized tips on how to improve your sleep.
There's a slight tingling. It's not that strong. It's like slight electrical pulsations going through my brain, but it's not very strong. It's very pleasant, in fact.
So it actually kind of tickles when it's on. You can set the intensity and you can kind of control how intense you want it. The higher the intensity, it's not painful, but it's just almost like uncomfortable.
So when I use it, it feels like a light acupuncture for my ear. Very pain-free, very light.
So after using it, I actually don't even notice how long it takes for me to fall asleep, whereas before it did take me a really long time to fall asleep. But it's really easy and it's super cool.
I don't really think about it too much, and I just fall asleep.
Usually when I try and go to sleep, I don't get sleepy until at 1, 2 o'clock. I'm tossing and turning, but using this product, within 15 minutes I feel sleepy, and within 20 minutes I'm gone, sleeping.
With the use of Sorosis Mini3.
After I use this product, I feel like my sleep is deeper, and I feel well rested when I do wake up. I had a good night's sleep.
So it's actually made a huge difference in my sleeping pattern and just in general. I feel great, I feel well rested, and it's awesome.
Yeah, when I use this product, I fall asleep almost just like that within 15 minutes. And when I wake up, I feel full of energy, I'm alert, I can get a lot done. It really makes a difference in my life having that deep sleep.
In the morning, you will wake up with energy and a good mood, so you can ease into your day. Sorosis Mini3 and Pro. Fall asleep faster, sleep longer, feel better.